Hi scholars, Miss Charles here. I'm so excited to be with you today to help you grow your brain. We're going to be going over 3 things today. First, our new sight word. Second, we're going to be going over vowel teams. Third, we're going to jump into a new book and learn a new skill. For this lesson, you will need the story Animal Dads. So if you didn't get it, pause this video and go grab it now. All right, let's jump right in. Our sight word today is the word one. One. Say it with me. One. Let's spell it together. O-N-E, one. One more time. O-N-E, one. What's missing? N. Very good. What's missing? Is that right? Remember that when we spell, we need to go left to right. So yes, those 2 letters were missing, but they were not in the correct order. O-N-E. What happens if I mix them all up? Can you help me fix them again? Good. O-N-E. Great job. How do we spell one? O-N-E. Excellent. Now we're going to take our magic finger and we're going to write the word one on the table in invisible ink. As we write, we will say the letters out loud, then we'll swipe our finger underneath it, left to right. Here we go. One. O-N-E. Swipe that finger. One. Do it one more time. O-N-E. One. Great job. Today we learned the sight word one for the number 1. Moving right along, next up we have our vowel teams. I'd like to teach you a little rhyme that will help you understand the rules of how vowel teams work. When 2 vowels go walking, the first vowel does the talking. When 2 vowels go walking, the first vowel does the talking. When 2 vowels go walking, the first vowel does the talking. Can you say that with me? 2 more times. 3, 2, 1. And when 2 vowels go walking, the first vowel does the talking. When 2 vowels go walking, the first vowel does the talking. That's right. So we're going to be going over long E. We're going to use 3 spellings for the long E sound with our vowel teams. The first vowel team we're going to go over is E-A. Remember, when 2 vowels go walking, the first vowel does the talking, and it's a long vowel sound. So E-A together, say E. Say it with me. E. One more time. E. If you know that E-A says E, then you'll be able to read this word. Let's read it together, saying the sounds, the phonemes, and then blending it. N-E-T, neat. Great job. This word is neat. The next spelling for the long E sound using a vowel team is E-E. E-E together, say E, which is the long E sound. When 2 vowels go walking, the first vowel does the talking. And so now the E is saying E. If you know that E-E says E, then you'll be able to read this word. Let's segment and read this word together. E, free. Let's do it one more time. Segment, then blend. E, free. This word is free. Excellent. Last spelling I'd like to teach you today for the long E sound with vowel teams is E-Y. EY also says E. When two vowels go walking, the first vowel does the talking. We know that Y is a vowel sometimes, so it's acting like a vowel this time, okay? So if you know that this spelling EY says E, then you'll be able to read this word. Let's segment these. Remember, EY is one sound, LL is one sound, okay? A, the A sound, and the V. Here we go. V, A, L, E, valley. One more time. V, A, L, E, valley. What word is this? Valley. Excellent job. So we went over the 3 spellings for our vowel team today with the long E sound, E-E. I'm going to give you a chance to practice on your own. Here's our long E. He came out to play. And we're going to read 2 words with the E-A spelling of E. Let's segment this word. Good job. I have K, R, E, M, cream. Excellent job. This word is cream. Let's do one more. Ooh, this one has a few more sounds. Let's stretch it. Here we go. Stream. This word is stream. Great job. Let's move on to E-E. Let's segment and blend together. Need. Need. What word is this? Need. Great job. Here's another one. Few more sounds. Eat. Sweet. This word is sweet. Moving on to EY. Let's segment. Honey. This word is honey. This word rhymes with honey. We just changed out the first letter phoneme. Here we go. E. Money. This word is money. So scholars, just to recap, when 2 vowels go walking, the first vowel does the talking. Today we went over the long E sound with 3 spellings for long E with our vowel team, E-A, E-E, and E-Y. We're going to need that information in the book that we're reading today, and I'm so excited to jump into it with you. The name of our story today is Animal Dads. Animal Dads. This is a level F book, and you will be able to read this. Now, you may need an adult to help you, but you have all the skills in that big, beautiful brain of yours to read this book. Some words that you're going to find in this book are years. What do we find there? E-A, and that's why there's E, the E sound in years. Here's another word. Can you read it? That's right. This word is cleans. Cleans. There's an E-A vowel team in cleans. Way to go. We're going to be going over several other words as we look through the book, but I just wanted to point out that you're going to find several vowel team words in this book today. So don't be afraid. Take on that challenge, okay? Because when I say challenge, you say bring it on. Great job. This story, Animal Teams, is a book that falls in the genre of nonfiction. Say nonfiction. Say it one more time. Great, nonfiction. Nonfiction means that everything in this book is true. Everything in this book is real. There is nothing fake about it. It is real, something that could happen in real life. So let's take a look at that front cover, okay? The name of the book again is Animal Dads. So I'm guessing that this, it looks like a fox. This fox is here with his baby fox, right? And he might be a daddy. So I'm guessing that this story is all about animal dads being with their babies. Now, when we read nonfiction books, is really a good practice as an excellent reader to ask and answer questions. That will help you remember what you read in the book, okay? I have several questions as I look at the front cover. What are the animal dads doing, right? Let's take a quick picture walk and see if we can find out the answer. And if any other questions pop up, I want you to write them down or hold them in your brain for me, okay? Let's take a look. Just flip through, take a look at the pictures here. Ooh, I'm seeing a little cat, a bear, a dog. I don't see any babies here. Oh no. I'm seeing a mug, world's greatest dad. I see a little word great in the mug, but I don't see any animals. So let's keep looking. Oh, there's a dad with his babies. What's he doing? There's another dad. Oh my goodness. That looks like the dad has the babies in his mouth. I wonder why he did that. This dad is there with his babies too. What are they doing? Oh my goodness. Look at that frog. Oh, looks like the babies are on his back. I have so many questions. Look at that penguin. So many questions. I want to know, what is he doing with his baby? Look at this seahorse. I think all the babies are in this pouch right here. Oh, look at these kind of dads. So we know what these dads look like. Wow. So in this story, I noticed that the dads are doing things with their babies. I might need to find out more about this. So I think I need to read to find the answers to my questions. But there were some animals here on page 3 that didn't have their babies. I wonder why. So as we read, we're going to be asking lots of questions, okay? I thought of a couple. What do animal dads do with their babies? And why don't the animal dads on page 3 have their babies with them? Scholars, I need your help. Can you read the story and search for the answers? Can you be a detective and find out that information for me? Here's your challenge. I need you to read this story 2 times. If you come up with questions of your own, I want you to write them down. As you read, try to find out the answers to our questions. Before you jump in, let's go over some words. I showed you before, cleans with the vowel team EA, years with the vowel team EA. I also showed you the word great. Now, one rule to know about vowel teams is that most of the time it works. There are some words in our language that don't follow the rule, but it's okay. Still try and apply that rule as much as you can. In this word, the A does the talking, but for the most part, the first vowel does the talking. This word is mouth. The OU in mouth say ow. They say ow, like you just pinched yourself. Ow. Pouch. Ouch. Thousands. Thousands with the OU saying ow. This This word is guard. There is an R control vowel here where AR is saying R. That's why this word is guard. This word is carries. Carries. So scholars, now that we've reviewed some of those words that might be a little challenging, I need you to jump right in. You may need an adult to help you. Remember to read it at least 2 times. You can read it more if you like. And I cannot wait to check back in with you in our next lesson to find out the answers that you found to our questions. Our 2 questions were, what do animal dads do with their babies? And why don't the animal dads on page 3 have their babies with them? You could also look for the answers to your questions that you came up with. Ready, set, go. I'll see you next time.